Okay, let's go for the M&A rumours and movers.
Okay, well, I just thought we'd review the big deal that was announced earlier this week. In the absence of a better story, Anheuser-Busch, which of course is ticker BUD, has approached its biggest rival SAB Miller about a merger between the two brewing giants. But it really is, would be a merger of giants. There's no other way to put it. SAB shares have underperformed global peers as their beer volumes have slipped. But if we just try and take a brief look at what the merged group would entail, would be genuinely a mega brewer, would have a market cap of $69 billion. It would have 50% or capture 50% of global brewing profits and would have a 30% market share in beer sales. The chart here from The Economist just gives you an idea of where the companies are placed relatively. AB InBev at the top, SAB, Miller, there actually AB InBev of course being Anheuser-Busch, SAB Miller second, Heineken fourth, and Carlsberg Heineken third, in Carlsberg fourth, but then some Chinese and smaller US brewers. But basically you get the picture. If these two merge, if they're allowed to, because it's be a massive competition issue, then they would massively dwarf.
Yes, I don't think the competition would be very pleased. I also think that maybe the $69 billion figure you've got there is a bit small. I think that might be just the size of one of them, but anyway, we can look that up at a later point for those who are keen. But $69 billion isn't that much. I would have thought they might be a bit bigger than that. But anyway, it would be a massive new company.
Yeah, and I think the thing is, if it were to go ahead, then you'd surely have to think that those further down the league table would rapidly try and consolidate with their rivals. It's interesting as well that there are a couple of Chinese names on that list. They haven't particularly tried to expand outside of their local markets, and so I wonder what part to play they would have, if any, in a further round of consolidation. Anyway, all over to the competition authorities, but this one's going to run and run. I'll double check my figures and let everybody know on Monday.